So I gotta put it all together. I got all this worked out. I decided to put the shifter um, thing for your pedals on this side, so that way I got enough room here and for my brakes. I still gotta zip tie this line, get it out of the way. This is going to be upside down, so your numbers are going to be upside down. It's not a big issue. So, but other than that, it runs. It finally runs. Still a little concerned about that, about the chain rubbing up on the frame, but it's on there pretty tight. It seems like it's not rubbing on the frame, but we'll see when I go and test ride it. Oh, and about this fender. So previously I said I couldn't put this on because I didn't have a bolt that would fit here. And I thought that the kit didn't give me the bolt for this because I didn't have a bolt that was small enough, or if I had a little bolt, it wasn't big enough for this. And I was thinking, what the heck? Did they not send me it? So I was just, playing around with it. I was bolting that up here, and I noticed this thing was off. So I kind of forced it in, and I realized, well, these don't bolt up here. They bolt up right here. Yeah, I totally missed that. Usually the fender bolts up here. That's what this hole is for. It's not for a brake. It's for your fender, like that bike right there. So, yeah, I find it kind of weird that they have this hole, but they didn't want to use this. Anyways, I'm going to get this fender on. But besides that, it's up and running. I'm going to test ride it later on, maybe tomorrow. I don't have enough time right now. But I'm still a little concerned about that tensioner. The chain kind of vibrates still. Not enough to rub on the frame. I don't see it rubbing up on the frame. This is just oil. It's not actually rubbing on it. Well, maybe. I don't know. Well, regardless, it's fine. I got this tensioner on it, so that way it doesn't bind up on the frame. I might put a stronger spring, maybe. The spring feels a little loose. But anyways, it's all on.